I know I wouldn't be alive today if it wasn't for Mr. Stryker. I find it difficult, even now, to think about that night over Chicago.
Please try, Mrs. Hammond. It's very important.
Well, we lost the crew. And the food poisoning made us all very ill. I lost control. We all did. And then the bad weather and the lightning. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Stewardess, please let me handle this.
I've gotta get
Calm down. Now get back to your seat. I'll take care of this. Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Doctor, you're one under the phone. Everything's gonna be all right.
I'll handle this.
I gotta get out of here.
This is very important.
Let the court handle this.
Will you please control yourself? Bailiff, Valium.
I flew with Stryker during the war. I'll never forget the night we bombed Macho Grande. Stryker was a squadron leader. He brought us in real low, but he couldn't handle it.
Buddy couldn't handle it. Was Buddy one of your crew?
Right. Buddy was the bombardier, but it was Stryker who couldn't handle it. And he went to pieces.
Andy went to pieces?
No. Andy was the navigator. He was all right. Buddy went to pieces. It was awful how he came unglued.
How he came unglued?
Oh, no. Howie was a rock. The best tail gunner in the outfit. Buddy came unglued.
Andy bailed out?
No, Andy hung tough. Buddy bailed out. How we survived was a miracle.
Then Howie survived?
No, afraid not. We lost Howie the next day.
Over Macho Grande?
No, I don't think I'll ever get over Macho Grande. Those wounds run pretty deep.
Ted and I were very close once. We had the kind of relationship where we laughed and laughed and laughed all the time. Do you know what it's like to laugh like that?
Yes, I do.
Then things started to come apart. He was obsessed with that shuttle. He started to talk about it all the time, even at night in bed. And I guess that's when the real problem started.
Please elaborate.
Well, at first, sex between us was a wonderful experience. The way he touched me, he was so gentle. He'd unbutton my blouse. And then... we drifted apart. I'm sorry, I can't go on.
At the request of this court, Mr. Stryker has undergone a psychiatric examination. The court calls Dr. Franklin Stone.
Doctor, can you give the court your impression of Mr. Stryker?
I'm sorry I don't do impressions. My training is in psychiatry.
Of course. In your opinion, Doctor, was Ted Stryker competent to fly and land that shuttle?
The defendant suffers from chronic psychological stress and in a pressure situation can snap just like that.
Like that?
That's it. It is my opinion he is a danger to himself and others and is in need of treatment.
Mr. Stryker, this court recommends that you be confined to an institution for treatment until such time as you are deemed fit to re-enter society.
But I was framed.
Order.
You're not guilty. That ship did have faulty wires. There was a flying death
Can you hold for a picture, please?
I'm not guilty. I'm not guilty.
Judge? How about a photo for the Daily News?
Of course.
Thanks, Counselor. Picture!
It's for Ted's own.